Jury selection is continuing today in the trial of Derek Chauvin. 3 jurors were selected yesterday in Minneapolis, 2 men and a woman of color. Both sides are struggling to find impartial jurors in the very high-profile case. Derek Chauvin is accused of killing George Floyd by kneeling on his neck for more than 8 minutes during a police investigation. The video of George Floyd's death caused protests worldwide, bringing attention to the Black Lives Matter movement and a call for police accountability and reform. So there is a lot riding on this trial. Do you think they'll be able to find impartial jurors? And what do you think will happen? We want to hear from you, DBL Nation. Write in. Erica, do you think they'll be able to find impartial jurors, considering how this case has... Yes, go ahead. I see. Okay.
I mean, this is... What is this pool of impartial jurors consisting of? I mean, it's concerning to me if someone has never heard of this case, and it's equally as concerning to me if they've heard of this case and haven't formulated some type of opinion about it. They're both concerning, and it begs the question, was the option of a bench trial an option or given? Why are they going in this direction of a jury trial? Are they counting on impartiality being an issue for the defense?
Al, what do you think?
I think we're misspeaking, Sam. I think we're saying impartial jurors. All the defense needs is one juror. They need one person that may not be impartial, but may be impartial in other ways. And with that said, all they need is one person for a mistrial or a hung jury or a not guilty plea conclusion. So I think that may be why they're going with the jury trial, because, you know, all you need is one.
You know, we talk about impartial. When was the last time you saw impartial in the news, on social media? When was the last time you saw anything that was impartial? People are picking sides. People are so polarized by one side or the other. It's red or blue. It's black or white. People there is no middle road anymore. People are just, so how are you going to find someone that, like Erica said, has never heard about this case, which is concerning in itself, and to not have an opinion on this case? For me, I think it's going to be a very, very daunting and difficult task for them to do that.
I wish we almost had some sort of a legal expert on, because of the fact that this case seems to be an anomaly, right? Not only did you see both sides of the aisle, and I hate to politicize this, but when it comes down to police, we know that people will staunchly defend blue lives and police officers despite whatever type of situation happens. But because there was video, you saw people on both sides saying that this was egregious, that this was murder. So I wonder, I wish we had a legal expert, if there can be some sort of situation where it's just a judge, considering that everyone has heard this case. I think this is an impossibility, to be frank with you, Erica, a complete impossibility.
Well, I mean, I'm not a legal expert. That's why I was asking, was the option for a bench trial an option that the defense could have gone with? If it were, then it seems to me like they're gunning for a mistrial.
Oh, man. I really hope that's not the case. Well, we'll just have to wait and see.